What's up everybody? In our previous video on the chirp, we focused on eighth notes, quarter notes, and eighth rests. In this lesson, we will play quarter note and 16th note rhythms. If any time you're confused, remember to check back to previous videos. Alright, let's take a look at rhythm number 1. You can find a link to the sheet music in the description below. The tempo is at 88 beats per minute. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next example, let's focus on counting the 16th notes properly. We learned in the Baby Scratch series the 16th notes are counted 1 E-anda, 2 E-anda, 3 E-anda, 4 E-anda. Before you practice examples, practice saying 1 E-anda, 2 E-anda, 3 E-anda, 4 E-anda a few times in a row. Once you're comfortable counting these out loud, move on to the second example. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Being able to count 16th note rhythms is the beginning of understanding more difficult rhythms. Understanding more difficult rhythms will give you the ability to learn how to scratch new rhythms, which is one of the first steps in developing your own sound. That being said, let's move on to number 3. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that rhythm one more time. This time I want you to focus on accuracy. I also want you to try to get a feel for the rhythm as you count out loud. As you practice and learn more rhythms, you should start to recognize their sound and feel. Focusing on the sound and feel of 16th note rhythms may unlock some of your creativity. Being creative is another key to developing your own sound. Let's move on to the next rhythm. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. We here at Scratch Made Easy believe that the ability to read music and understand the fundamentals of rhythm can help us be more creative with our scratching. If we can read and understand rhythms, it may make it easier to identify the rhythms that we like. Once we identify the sound that we like, we can use theory to learn how to play it. That being said, let's move on to number 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. With time and practice, all that we have discussed in this video should help you develop your own style based off the sound and feel that you like. Understanding the basic should open up a world of creativity to you. It did for me, and I'm sure it will for you too. If you liked the video, be sure to share it with anyone that will find the information helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.